I have created this web app for the doctors to book meeting with their clients here or the patients. And the best part what I liked here, you will see that everything in this landing page is just built by the AI. And not only that, there's the booking page available, there's the doctor sections available, and there's the my appointment section available. So I have done everything here within just 5 minutes using the AI. And let me tell you the main feature here, that is the booking page. So here they can just select the doctor, enter their name, email address and the information, the date, then they can check it out, the reason for the visit and the time, and their meeting will be booked here. And the client is also going to get the notification for the meeting booked here. Okay, so this is how this web app work, and I can just create these kind of the web apps or the fully functional applications for any kind of the professional people, like the doctors, the engineers, the architects, the woodworkers, the carpenters, and the list is so on. So with this tool that I'm going to show you right now, you can create the landing pages, you can create the web pages, you can create the apps, you can create the fully functional tools or the SaaS platforms here. So this is the Greta here, and I am just really surprised of its user interface. You can see I have just simply entered my prompt in this platform here, creating a doctor app for the clients to scheduling meetings, also create a landing page for promoting this here. Okay, and it has done the work fabulously. Okay, the results is really mind-blowing. It has generated all the codes. You can see right now I am showing you the preview here. Okay, but if I click here on the code, you can see this is all the codes it has generated, and the speed is really mind-blowing. All it took around just 3 to 5 minutes to generate the codes or the generating your prompt into the web app or the landing page or the SaaS tool what you are seeking for this platform here. So that is really mind-blowing. And the best part what you are going to even amazed by here is that it has the integrations with the Supabase and the GitHub here. You can see Supabase, integrate Supabase to enable authentication or the sync your app with the database. So that is the really good thing. Then GitHub for the enhanced workflow, collaborations and the versions control you want to do here. So these two are really important things if you want to manage the your app with the features, with the database. Then I think these two that they have given is really good here. Okay, now let me show you how this platform works and how you are going to generate the tools, the app, the landing pages, web pages and the SaaS tools here. So you have to just simply click here on the new chat here, and after that you have to give your command. For me, for example, I have given the command like this one. I want to create a community app where people can join, post, comment, interact and the chat here. So I have given my command. Now simply I have to click here on the build. Now it will start building your product. Okay, I am out of credit right now because I am just testing out the features, and you will see that for every time you are creating a new tool or the apps, it is going to cost you 30 credits here. Okay, but don't worry, I have already created an app here, that is the doctor appointment app, and I have even deployed this app in my platform. Okay, you can see this is the deployed and I got the link. I can also connect my custom domain here, so it will be the redirect to my custom domain. Okay, no worries, let me give you the demo here first. So I have given the command enter a doctor app for clients for scheduling meeting, and also create a landing page promoting this features here. So it has given all the things. Okay, and it took around the 3 to 5 minutes, and here's I got the result. So after that I got all this page here. So let me maximize a little bit. You can see I got this landing page, I got the booking appointment, browse doctors, I got the my appointment, and every section in the menu is the operational. If I clicking here on the doctors, you can see all these doctors available. So if I am going to connect with the Supabase, I am also going to manage the database easily, because now I can add the doctors, I can accept the payments, I can accept the bookings from my clients, and their data will be the managed by the Supabase by integrating here on this platform here. Then we have the my appointment to showing out all the appointments with the different doctors here. And this is not just end here. I can just give more commands. It's AI if I want to add more features or I want to do some changes. For example, I want to add one more thing here in the menu section, like adding a dashboard for the clients. Okay, so add a new section in menu, dashboard for clients. Okay, so this is the simple prompt I have given. Make sure you give the prompts in detail so its AI can understand that. Then click here on the enter, and now it will start doing the magic here. It will take the steps to generating the codes here. So it can add a new thing that you have just entered in your prompt and then add in the your app or the web app here. Okay, you can see it is start working out navpad.jx. Okay, so it will be the adding soon. So as soon your codes or the stuff you have asked will be generated, you have to click here on the redeploy again. Okay, so it will be the now will be the added on the next version of your web app, the features you have just generated. So we have to wait a little bit till the things is just generating. So everything is done and now it's loading up the new version of the app here. So you can see the screen, the settings icons are rolling out. So still it can take a few seconds to load up the your new landing page or new web app here. Okay, and here's the new version. Let's check it out. So you can see I have just added a new feature in the menu section, that is the dashboard. And if I click here, you can see this dashboard is showing me everything here. See, so that is the power of the Greta that I have showed you. Within just few minutes I got a new section, new page with new information here. So that's how the thing you are going to enjoy it here. So with the Greta, it's now really easy to create these kind of the web apps. For me, I create a lot of the web designs and the sites. So especially for me, like I want to create these kind of the booking pages for the doctors, the engineers, the architects, or the other industry people. Now it's just going to take me the like 5 minutes to 15 minutes to generating all this. Then I can just hand over to my clients, and that's going to earn me some extra money. So that is the thing that makes me really excited. So let me know in the comments if you really enjoyed this video or exciting to checking out the Greta. Now here's the best part, its lifetime deal is available on the AppSumo starting from the just $59. Yes, $59. And all it took for me to create these kind of the web app is like the 40 or the 50 credits here. I know there will be some mistakes or some errors will be there, so it will take you more than 50 credits until you are not going to master the prompting, okay, to give the commands to the AI here. Okay, so right now starting from the $59 you can get the Greta lifetime deal, means you don't have to pay the any monthly or the yearly subscription charges to use this AI web builder or website builder here. So here we have the multiple plans available, like single tier plan is going to give you the 250 credits and it will like creating the 3 or the 5 apps. Okay, so that is the limited credits you are going to get per month. So you can do a lot of the changes, you can create a new apps every month here. So that is the good thing. But here's the catch, you cannot add the custom domain and the Stripe integration. So if you want the money earning feature, then you have to go with the custom domain and the Stripe integration. Otherwise, if you want to just play around with the AI builder here, you can go with the tier 2. That's why I suggest at least go with the tier 3 plan or the tier 2 plan, because here you will get the more credits like the 750 and the 1500 and the custom domain, Stripe integration, and all the features you are going to get in this plan here. And don't worry, if even getting this tool you are not happy with, there's also 60 days money back guarantee that is going to cost you nothing to try out this tool here. So that's why this tool, that is the must check for everyone. And if you enjoyed this video and want to check it out, the Greta lifetime deal, the link will be in the description, so you can check it from there. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, take care, stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I will see you in the next one.